In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your chart of accounts into Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, plus a few key tips to make sure your import works the first time. Before we start, a quick note on preparation. Have your chart of accounts file ready, ideally in Xero's template format. Make sure each account has a unique code and clear name, and that the account types and tax settings match how you intend to use them. Keep only one header row. Remove any blank lines at the bottom and save the file as a CSV. If you're coming from another system, line up your columns to Xero's layout and store account codes as text so leading zeros don't disappear. From your Xero dashboard, go to the main menu and click Accounting. This is your gateway to the financial setup tools you'll use most often. If you manage multiple organizations, double check you're in the right one before you move on. Next, click Chart of Accounts. This page shows all the accounts currently active in your organization. It's a good idea to scan what already exists so you don't import duplicates. If you want a safety net, you can export what's here now to keep a backup copy before you proceed. Now click Import. This takes you to Xero's import screen. If you haven't used the template before, you can download it from here so your columns line up perfectly. Using the correct headers will help Xero recognize each field and reduce validation errors. Be mindful that some system accounts can't be replaced, and most bank accounts need to be created in the bank accounts area rather than by import. Click Browse, then select your prepared file from your computer. After selecting, check the file name shown on screen to confirm you picked the right one. If your file includes accounts you don't want to bring in yet, pause and remove them from the CSV so you import only what you intend to use. When you're ready, click Import. Xero will validate the file and either complete the import or flag any issues, like duplicate codes or invalid account types. If you see errors, open your CSV, fix the lines. Xero points out, save, and import again. Once the import succeeds, return to the chart of accounts to review your new entries. Spot check a few accounts to confirm codes, types, and tax defaults. Look correct, and if you're migrating, make sure key revenue and expense categories landed where you expect. That's it. You've successfully imported your chart of accounts into Xero.